Hi, I'm Justin with SureTech Heating and Cooling. Today we're going to be looking at some things you can do if your gas or electric furnace stops heating. This is a return air grill, usually in a hallway. The first thing you want to do is locate and check your air filter. You should either have an air filter in your return air grill or in the return air of your furnace. Your home may have 2 or more return air registers if it's a 2-story house. If you hold your air filter up to light and it's not easy to see through, it's overdue and likely the cause of the failure. Be sure that the arrow on your filter points up. If your air filter is at your furnace, then the arrow should point towards your furnace. If your return air registers are in the floor or low in the wall, be sure that furniture or other items are not restricting the airflow. If your air filter is at your furnace like this one, then you should not have an air filter in your return air grills. The second thing to check is that all your supply registers, the vents where your heat comes out, are open and there's no furniture or other items blocking the airflow. The next thing you want to do is locate your mode switch on your thermostat. A lot of times this is under settings. It may be right on your screen or a switch on your furnace, but that says HVAC mode, and then you want to make sure that's in heat. Next, the 67 represents the temperature in the house. Make sure your set point is well above the temperature in your house, so your thermostat is asking for heat. If you have a gas furnace, you may have a sight glass like these. Inside that sight glass may be a fault code, a red blinking light. Count the number of flashes. In this case, it's 4. You'll locate a code chart, often on the outside of the door or maybe on the inside of one of the doors. In this case, 4 flashes means a high limit switch is open. If you have a wall switch labeled furnace, turn that off for at least 30 seconds. If you don't have a wall switch, find your breaker panel and locate a breaker labeled furnace. This should be a single breaker, probably a 20 amp circuit. Turn that breaker off, leave it off for 30 seconds, and then reset it. This resets your board, gets rid of any fault codes, and may restart your furnace. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. If you have a specific problem, feel free to comment below and we'll see if we can help. For a limited time, if you've watched and followed all the steps in this video, we're offering a $75 discount for your next service. So if you're in the Vancouver or Clark County, Washington area, give us a call.